Hey everybody, this is Steve from SCOARTGLASS. I'm going to show you how I made this navy panel for a retirement gift. So I started with these images and sketched them out. Then I added some water lines for some water landscape, and then sky for some sky landscape. Hey, I'm back. Here is the piece I'm going to kind of cut right now. So you'll see it's got a little notch, and I'll show you how I kind of do those. Ideally, you never want those, but to put some detail on this particular area, that I'd work with it. With that, you'll score the glass. I keep these small pieces because in other projects you get small pieces, so I'll actually keep this and use it again. And then this one I'll be able to go ahead and score the other side as well. So this little piece I will actually kind of nibble out and then use the grinder to get that little notch. I've got a little special blade for that one. When I get down to these smaller areas, I like to use the grozers to get things off, but make sure you put the flat side up and break and pull. You'll see that's, then I'll just kind of use the grinder to grind that area out. Next piece, you'll see I've got several on here. And normally when I make my patterns, I'll try and butt them up against, so that way one score cut will allow for one cut, so you don't have to, trim out a lot. Now, when they start getting this close together, you got to be very calculated on how you cut so that you're able to minimize your waste. So, like here, I'll go ahead and score my line this way, and I'll bring it out through there, so then that way I can get it all these pieces easily. And the same thing with this one. After I cut this one, I'll actually score out this way, so then that way then the only waste you have is really right here, and then this piece can be reused later for other projects. Okay, I've talked too much. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video and stop at various places to give you an update. Grinding all the pieces, dry them off, dry fit them to the pattern, and then come back to the grinder as needed to shape it. Now I'm going to take you through each dry fit stage. For stage one, I have the eagle, which I did in white iridescent, and the royal blue background. For stage two dry fit, you have the tactical surfacing of the submarine with the whitewash around it. In dry fit stage 3, you can see that this is a Navy ship coming at you, and I did make a change to the pattern for the glass at 84, 93, and 95 and 107. I ended up going with the sky glass there to better accentuate the horizon. In dry fit stage 4, you can see that I completed the horizon sky, and you can see where it looks a little bit better than it did in stage 3. And in stage 5 is the navy letters are completed, where I used the white iridescent and the royal blue background. Now we are ready to foil the piece. As you see here, I have completed foiling the piece, and now I'm getting ready to solder. I'm going to start on the back side, then do the front side, and then do a final solder on the entire piece. I will fast forward through the soldering sessions. We have now completed the final soldering of the piece. We will now clean it and put a black patina on, and then put a zinc frame around it. Here's the final piece with the patina on and the zinc frame. If you like this project, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell and get the notifications when I post a new video.